Hi there, welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video I will be showing you how to connect an Android device to your Toyota vehicle via Bluetooth. I'm sitting in a 2020 Highlander, so this head unit may look a little bit different than yours, but you should still be able to follow along and have something similar on your Toyota vehicle. First things first, if you have no phone connected and this is showing on your screen, you can click on Register Phone to connect your first device. I'm going to show you the longer way to connect the phone if, for example, you don't have this option on your screen or if you already have other devices connected, as the screen's going to look a little bit different once a device is connected. Let's click on Menu first. In older models, it may be an Apps button, and then we want to click on Setup. Once you get a setup, you have a few options. We're going to click on Bluetooth, and once we're prompted, we're going to click Yes. Please note that the prompt will only come up if you have not yet connected a device. If you have, it will come up with 4 other options and you want to click Add Device. Now the vehicle is searching for a device to connect, and we will get our phone, unlock it, and get to the settings menu of your device. Now we're going to click on Connections, and you want to make sure your Bluetooth is on, so you may have to toggle the button on if it's not already. We see ours is on, it's blue, which is good. Click on Bluetooth, and under Available Devices, we are going to try to find Toyota Highlander. In some older models, the name may appear as a series of numbers and letters. It will also show you on your head unit what name you should be looking for. You may click your phone's name on the head unit or your vehicle's name on your phone, but don't click on both. This will cause error with the Bluetooth connection. Whether you click on the phone or head unit, a pairing request prompt should show up on your device. So at this point, I'm going to click on the phone. So I see Toyota Highlander. Ensure that the number on the phone matches the number on the head unit and then click OK. You will then be prompted to sync contacts. Click Allow. This allows you to make phone calls and see your contacts on your vehicle head unit. You will then be prompted to sync messages, and you can click Allow. When it says Connected for Call and Media Audio, you know it's connected. You may get a screen like this once you're finished connecting to Bluetooth. The 2 icons show that the particular device is connected for phone and for audio, which means you can make calls as well as play music using Bluetooth audio. Another way to ensure your device is connected is to check the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your battery life and signal strength of your device. You may now add or remove devices or change preferred device settings if you choose. Going back to the home screen, you will continue to see the Bluetooth device information in the top corner. Depending on how your home screen is set up, you may now see this. You can click and hold any of the 4 icons to select a contact from this device to save to the home screen for easy calling access. Once your device is connected, to see your contacts, you can click Phone on your head unit or the phone icon on your steering wheel. Your contacts from the device will transfer over. It may take a little bit longer depending on how many contacts you have. You can see your contacts, your call history, you can save favorites, you have a keypad to manually dial, you'll receive your text messages, and you can click on Select Device. You can see all of the other devices you have connected. You can add a device, remove a device, or you can flip through which device you'd like connected at that time. You now have the option to call contacts or use the keypad to dial a number on your head unit, or you can use the voice command button on your steering wheel to tell the vehicle to call one of your contacts as long as your phone is connected via Bluetooth. Now, in case you do get a new phone or you just want to remove the device for any reason, I'm going to show you how to do that. So click on Menu, back to Setup, back to Bluetooth. Now this is what you will see after a device or 2 or 3 are connected. You can click Remove Device, select the device you want to remove. It will prompt you to make sure you'd like to remove that device. You can click Yes or No. It will then remove that device from that vehicle if you select Yes. It will tell you when the device is removed. You can then go back home, and now it reverts back to the option where you can register phone right from the home screen. or you can go through the menu to add any device that you'd like. And that's all I have for you today for connecting an Android phone to your Toyota vehicle via Bluetooth. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thank you so much for watching.